Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Talbot County in eastern Maryland until 5:30 p.m. At 4:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cordova or near Easton, moving southwest at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Easton, Talbot, St. Michael's, Oxford, Tilghman Island, Matthews, Cordova, and Hamilton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The National Weather Service